I was barefoot on the green ground, sunlight dancing through the trees. Used to talk with the wind and the rivers, they were the only friends I need. I chased clouds, I learned from thunder.
So that was the first 15 seconds of a music video I just created with AI. This would have taken weeks, if not months, to create just a year ago. Now it's possible to create this and even better videos with consistent characters in a few minutes. Now before we get into it, there is an AI music video contest with a 50,000 prize pool spread across 29 categories. And by the end of this video, you will have everything you need to have a real shot of winning some of that prize money and create AI videos with consistent characters, lip sync and music. If you want to create with me alongside the video, I've put a link in the description below. The thing is, OpenArt has a special offer right now for you to create a 1-minute music video completely for free. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use their platform so that you can follow along and actually enter the competition. I also built a custom GPT that's going to make this whole process faster and easier for you. Alright, let's dive in. Now for music videos, OpenArt gives you 4 different music modes to choose from. First you have the singing video. This mode lets the AI lip sync a character to your song, making it perfect for performance focused videos where the artist is front and center. Then there is the narrative video. This one creates cinematic scenes that tells a story based on your lyrics. It's great if you want your music video to follow a clear plot or storyline. Next up is visualizer. This is kind of the opposite of the one before. So this mode generates beat matched visuals with a consistent style and vibe, but it doesn't follow a specific story. It's ideal if you just want cool abstract visuals that match the rhythm of your song. Another thing that you can do if you're on the paid plan is that you can generate multiple of these and then you can just combine them, maybe have some visuals together with a narrative video and so on. And finally, there's the lyrics video. This one displays your lyrics as animated text on objects and within different scenes, which is perfect if you want to highlight the words of your song and keep the focus on the message. For this tutorial, we're going with singing video since it's the simplest to start with and gives you that classic music video look. Next, you will need to give OpenArt a song to work with, and you've got 3 options here. First, you can paste a link. If your song is already on Suno or TikTok, just click the link icon and paste the URL. OpenArt will automatically pull in the audio for you. Second, you can drag and drop an audio file straight from your computer. OpenArt accepts songs up to 5 minutes long, so you've got plenty of room to work with. And third, you can select from OpenArt's own library. If you don't have a track ready, you can browse songs directly inside the platform and choose one of their built-in tracks. I would go with the first or second option because you won't really stand out if you pick a built-in track from OpenArt's library. So once your song is uploaded, this blue timeline pops up. You can trim the song down by dragging the edges to cut the beginning or end, or by selecting just the part you want to use. If you're on the free plan, make sure to trim the song to 1 minute max. Alright, now you have to choose your artist. Here you can either go with a character from OpenArt's library or you can create your own. So on the free plan, you have to pick one from the library, and if you want to create your own character, you just go to My Characters and then on Custom. From here, you can either create a new character directly or click Train Character for higher consistency to open the full character creation menu. Inside that section, you've got 3 ways to build your character. You can start with 4 or more images for the most consistent results, or you can start with 1 image if that's all you got. And lastly, you can start with the description if you just want to generate a character using text. Now for the most consistent results, I would recommend the start with 4 or more images option, and it's one of my favorites where we need to upload multiple images of the same character, have the AI learn its appearance, and then create the music video or your story from that. However, with the latest updates, we get very consistent results even with one image, or as I will show you in this case, where we start with only a description and can actually proceed to create the entire music video. So simply write a name and add a description of your character or artist and then pick a style. You can also write a custom one up here. The AI creates 3 characters based on your description and you pick one. You can also regenerate if you want more variations. Now, if you want your character to have the same outfit throughout the whole video, leave this setting off that says allow character outfit changes. If you want to change the outfit through different shots, then leave it on. We can control a lot of things and I'll show you more once we're going over the storyboard for the final polish. Next, we have to set the scene. This is optional, but I highly recommend you don't leave this out, because giving precise instructions will simply give you a better music video. Good thing is, as I said at the start, I have actually created a custom GPT that will set the scene and write a storyboard prompt for you. Even though it might not be perfect, you will still have a better template to start with and can always adjust it to your vision if you want more control. You can find the link in the description, and of course it's totally free. Now for aspect ratio, I personally prefer the 16:9 to get a wider shot or the vertical 9:16 to get videos for TikTok and Instagram. Moving on to the advanced options, to include B-roll shots, leave this one here checked, and match video to beat. This automatically adjusts the length of each shot to the beat so the video and audio are perfectly synced. I would definitely leave that on. And then we have the captions if you want to add the lyrics of the song to the video. For image model, just leave it at character, and for video model, we're going to try out the new OpenArt Lip Sync AI model, which is one of the better ones and if not the best currently, because besides adding the lip sync to our characters, it also enhances the body motion and adds relevant gestures. This is important and it will only get better as time moves on and as AI develops. Next, we want to click on Preview Storyboard. This works on the paid plan, but this will allow you to make final edits before creating your music video, and basically it just gives you much more control. So after OpenArt is done generating, we land on the preview storyboard screen. Each scene appears as a card with 3 parts. On the left, you've got the image prompt that OpenArt used to generate that shot. In the middle, you will see the image itself. And on the right, there's the animation prompt, which tells the AI how that image should be animated into a part of the music video. If you don't like how a scene looks, just click retry image at the top of that card and obviously change the image prompt on the left side first. For example, if your character's facing the wrong direction, just add something like facing the camera and regenerate that one shot. You can even rearrange the scenes by dragging and dropping them to change the order of your story, and it's super easy. At the bottom of the page, you will see a few extra options. There is the image model dropdown, which lets you switch your image model. Let's say you want to rewrite the prompt for every single image to regenerate all images at once. Then you can just click here on generate all images after you have changed all your image prompts, and you will get a new image for every single shot in one go. This can save you quite a bit of time. However, I prefer to go one by one because the first draft actually creates very good images, and sometimes I only need to change a few. When you're happy, just click generate full story. Generating the video is gonna take around 15 minutes, and you will also get an email notifying you when it's finished if you want that. Alright, now the video is finished, but we still have the chance to edit things if we don't like the result. For that, you can click on edit this story down at the bottom left. This opens up the timeline view, which gives you way more control over your entire music video. And at the top, you will see 2 tabs, storyboard and timeline. You can switch between them anytime. The storyboard view looks just like the previous storyboard we saw earlier. It shows all your scenes as cards, and you can still retry images, edit prompts, or regenerate individual videos if you want to make small adjustments. The timeline view, which we're looking at now, gives you frame-by-frame control. This is where you can make precise edits and fine-tune every part of your video. On the left side, you will find all your assets. You can see your video clips with their durations, all the still images that were generated, your music file, and even options to add voiceovers or captions. If you didn't include enabled captions earlier, you can do this here by clicking on Detect Caption, and OpenArt will automatically generate subtitles based on your lyrics. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the full timeline editor. Here, your audio track shows up as a purple waveform and your video clips are laid out in sequence right above it. You can trim clips by clicking and dragging their edges, extend them if the generated footage is longer, or cut them down if they feel too long. If you click on a clip, you will see its properties appear on the right side, where you can retry the video, change the animation, or even regenerate that specific scene. Now you can click preview to see your final result. If you're happy, just click export and check remove watermark. Now let's see how it turned out.
I was barefoot on the green ground, sunlight dancing through the trees. Used to talk with the wind and the rivers, they were the only friends I need. I chased clouds, I learned from thunder, never tried to hide my roar. Now I'm lost inside this mirror maze, where smiles don't mean what they're for. Every street feels like a movie scene, perfect faces, plastic dreams. They're shining bright, but I can see they're empty underneath. Take me back to the wild, where my heart ran free and my soul.
Alright, and that is how you can quickly create your AI music video. So if you want to take a shot at the 50,000 prize pool, you will find all the links you need in the description. I hope this helped, and thanks for watching, and please let me know in the comments which topic you want me to cover next.